Okay, good morning everyone. Today we will be presenting our research on mitigating human behavioral vulnerability in social engineering attack and countermeasure. This research is conducted by me and my partner Febrian Pangan with our lecturer Frank Sadeta Junior and Nadia. We are from Cybersecurity Program, School of Computer Science, Bina Nusantara University, Jakarta, Indonesia. This presentation will share findings from our comprehensive analysis that combine real-world case studies with systematic literature review. We examine how attackers exploit human vulnerability and identify effective organizational countermeasures. Our findings are particularly relevant as social engineering attacks become increasingly sophisticated, targeting not just higher education institutions, but also corporate and government entities. The results show organizations implementing advanced training alongside intelligent technical solutions reduce successful attack by over 50% compared to those using basic defense alone. Particularly noteworthy is our discovery that constructive skill combined with psychological resilience training reduce manipulation attempts by 45% within 6 months. And the next part is literature review.
And the next one is literature review. So I will tell you guys about first human behavior in social engineering attack, two effectiveness of awareness and training program, phishing simulation and testing, technological countermeasure to complement human training, behavioral and organizational approaches to mitigation, and the last one, gaps and future research direction. So our literature review revealed several critical aspects of social engineering attack that warrant attention. This attack primarily exploits psychological vulnerability rather than technical ones, targeting fundamental human traits like trust, fear, and urgency. Key research by Waso and colleagues demonstrate that traditional technique defenses alone are insufficient. Their studies indicate that effective defense requires an interdisciplinary approach, combining elements psychology, organizational behavior, and cybersecurity. The literature show particularly interesting findings regarding phishing simulation. Organizations conducting regular simulation witnesses dramatic improvement in security awareness, with click-through rate on malicious link declining by up to 70%. This highlights the importance of practical, hands-on training approaches. Additionally, research by Al-Mutari and Al-Mahdi emphasizes the critical role of behavioral analytics in detecting potential attack. Their work showed that organizations implementing behavioral monitoring system alongside traditional security measures saw a significant reduction in successful social engineering attempts. Studies also indicate that psychological aspects of this attack are becoming more sophisticated. Recent research point to attacker increasingly using advanced social proof and authority principle to bypass security protocols, making traditional awareness training insufficient without regular update and adaptation. Next.
Okay, the next part is methodology. In our research of our methodology involve a systematic literature review and a qualitative synthesis focusing on social engineering countermeasure. We analyze patterns across multiple studies, examining both technical and human-centered defense strategies. The research process include a comprehensive review of a peer-reviewed literature from 2009 to 2024, analysis of real-world case study across various sectors, evaluation of effectiveness metrics for different countermeasures, comparative analysis of organization-wide defense framework, and we particularly focus on measuring the effectiveness of various countermeasures through quantitative metrics such as a reduction in successful attack, improvement in threat recognition rate, change in security behavior over time, and the cost effectiveness of implemented solution. Okay, the next part is strategies and countermeasure.
Okay, after we discuss about the methodology, we will tell you guys about the strategies and the countermeasure based on this paper. So our research identified the three crucial components for effective defense against social engineering attack. First is psychological resilience training, which showed remarkable result with a 45% reduction in successful manipulation attempt within 6 months. This involved including recognition of emotional manipulation attack tactics, development of critical thinking skill, understanding of common attack pattern, regular scenario-based training exercises, and the second technical countermeasure including AI-driven detection system, multi-factor authentication protocols, advanced email filtering system, behavioral analytic tools. This measure combined decrease unauthorized access attempt by 40%. The third one, integrated defense framework combining both human and technological elements. Organization implementing comprehensive approaches show up to 60% reduction in successful attack. Key elements included regular security assessment, dynamic training programs, continuous monitoring system, and clear security policies and procedures. Policies and procedures. Next. The result after we have discussed about the method, strategies, and countermeasure, and then we got the result. So the result here, the table illustrates various cybersecurity countermeasure, their outcome, and the evidence supporting their effectiveness. Regular training program have proven that to reduce phishing success rate by 30%, emphasizing the importance of consistent employee education. So based on this image or picture, so we got the countermeasure and outcome metric and then the proof of effectiveness. The first one, the countermeasure, regular training program, the outcome is 30 reduction in phishing success rate. The proof of effectiveness, the highlight of importance of training. The second one, behavioral adjustment, the outcome, increased recognition of phishing, the proof of effectiveness, support training roles in behavior change. The third one, MFA network monitoring. The outcome metric, 40% reduction in authorized access. The proof of effectiveness, validate technological advancement and change. The countermeasure, AI-driven anomaly detection, significant reduction in social engineering. So the proof of effectiveness, technological advancement and change. And the others. Next.
Okay, the last part is our conclusion. In conclusion, our finding emphasized that effective defense against social engineering requires a holistic approach, combining psychological resilience, technological control, and ongoing training. And then our key sources. In our we have a key recommendation for organization include implementing comprehensive psychological training program, deploying advanced technical control with AI capabilities, conducting regular phishing simulation and security assessment, maintaining dynamic security awareness program, creating clear security policies covering both technical and behavioral aspect, fostering a strong security culture through continuous education. And then for our future research direction should focus on developing more sophisticated attack prediction models, measuring long-term effectiveness of behavioral change, exploring advanced application of AI and machine learning, thwarting social engineering attempts, understanding emerging attack pattern and factors. The evolving nature of social engineering attacks mean that no single solution will provide complete protection. Organization must remain vigilant and adaptive in their approach to security. I think that's all for our presentation. Thank you all for your time and attention today. I hope the insights shared have been helpful. It's been a pleasure in presenting to you. Goodbye. Okay.